Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use the SQL select statement from MS SQL Server 2008. So let's begin. Lately, we use the select all from student information, and the result set is this: student ID, last name, first name, middle name, 1, Australia, Pului, Malbeda. So what if I only want to see the student ID, last name, and the first name? How can I do that? So simply, we must select the student ID, comma, the last name, comma, the first name from the table name student information. So let's execute it, and there you go. The result set only showed 3 columns: the student ID, the last name, and the first name, and a 1 row, the student ID 1, Estrella Polui. And there you go, the select statement of MS SQL Server 2008. So let's try again. I only want to see the student ID, and there you go, student ID 1, because I only have 1 row and I only inserted 1 record in the table. So let's try to insert another one. Insert into student information, then last name, comma, first name, comma, middle name. There you go. Again, I didn't include the student ID because it is auto-generated. And now let's insert the values. From last name, I'm going to use Lansang. Then, comma, first name, Roy. Then, comma, Talibas. And there you go. Let's try to insert it, then press the execute button. Here you go. It was said that 1 row affected. Then let's try to select it again. Select everything from student information, and there you go. I only see 1 and 2 because I only inserted 2 records in the table student information. So let's try to select again. Select. I only want to use last name, then from last name from student information, or your student name, or your table name. Then press the execute button, and there you go, Australia and Lansang. So let's try to insert again. Insert into student information. Let's go. Let's try to use again the last name, first name, middle name, and values are, let's say, let's say Mandap, comma, Frederick, comma, La Rosa. And there you go. Let's try to insert it. Let's try another one. Just copy this, then paste it. So we're going to add two records in the table student information. So let's try to change it to Prias, and then John Lowy Bolinos. There you go. Let's try to insert it, the 2 records, and then press the execute button. And there you go. 1 row affected, meaning 2 rows are affected. So let's try to select it. Select it. To select it, we need to select everything from student information, we don't need to execute it now because we have this. So let's highlight the select for all from student information, then press the execute button. The highlighted will only be executed. Then there you go, you have 4 records now, student ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's try to select now the last name and the student ID again. Select student ID, comma, last name from student information, then press execute button, and there you go. So we just tackled the select statement in MS SQL Server 2008. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.